In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Valorant, high ping and packet loss. The first step is we want to open up our firewall, come in here and go to advanced settings. In here you want to press inbound, new rule, port, next, UDP 49152-65535. Press next, next, allow all three, next, and just call it Valorant or something. Next again, and there we go. Once you've made that, you can just close this one down. Then you want to allow an app right here. Then scroll down to V and see if you have Valorant already. If you don't have Valorant, what you can do is you can allow another app, browse, and then you want to find the Valorant folder. So you can find it by coming here and search for Valorant, open file location, then do it again, come to Write Games, Valorant, Live, and it's not this one. You have to go into Shooter Game, Binaries, Windows, and you want to choose this one. So come up here and Control C, come in here, Control V, press Enter, and then you have it. Then you want to add right here, and now you should have Valorant. Make sure all three of these are ticked, and then you can just OK. Now once you've done this, you want to come here and search for View Network Connections, right click on your internet, right click and disable, and then right click enable again. Once you've done that, head over to properties, version 4, use the following DNS, 8888-8844, press OK and see if it works with this one. Now after this, another thing you can do is come here and search for ipconfig in the CMD. You want to search for CMD, right click, run as an administrator, and in here type ipconfig space /+DNS, then netsh space winsock space reset. Once you've done this, close it down, head over and search for network reset, click reset now, and your PC should restart. If it doesn't, you want to restart it on your own, and after that you should be good to go. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.